Pictures always look better, doesn't it? Anyway, I don't have everything that's on the menu, I mean on the ingredient, but I have mostly have it, so might as well. It's gonna be good for pretty much the whole week. I doubled the serving, so this is gonna be good for the whole week. I don't have to cook for soup, at least bean soup. Yay. If you don't have Dr. Greger's How Not to Diet Cookbook yet, they have it at Costco or Amazon, but I'd rather get it from Costco. It's $10, $11, I think. Anyway, go get your copy.